I am delighted to award the title of Honorary Fellow of the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama in recognition of her innovative and influential work as a theatre designer and also her ongoing generosity to Central in regularly giving talks and workshops to students and sharing her experiences as one of this country's most highly regarded practitioners. To Lizzie Clachan, congratulations. I now invite Lizzie to say a few words.
Mask off, glasses on. Good morning, everyone. I'm so proud to accept this honorary fellowship today. My time at Central was instrumental in broadening my understanding about making theatre and launching my career as a designer. The magical year I spent playing on the ATP course was for me a radical provocation about what theatre might be, with its multidisciplinary approach and emphasis on collective structures, collaboration and process. This all seems to be more important than ever today. With the pandemic, we have been given an opportunity to reflect on our practice and think about how we make art within institutions. We all pretty much agree that there needs to be more diversity, transparency, and engagement with environmental concerns. But this time has also shown us how fragile the theatre producing model is, and that we need to nourish the artists who create the work. It is so hard to get a foot in the door of an industry that expects people to be thankful for just being there. Working in this industry can mean long and sometimes unsociable hours, and the truth is, it helps to be surrounded by a lot of love and support. And so I want to say thanks to my mum and dad, who are here today, and to my husband, Glenn, who did most of the primary care when our son was young, which certainly helped me to manage my career. I know that for a lot of you, this has been a really challenging time. But out of adversity, new ideas often take hold, and you should see this as an opportunity to go out and forge bold new theatrical forms, create collaborations, embrace innovation, and make work that challenges our institutions. Who knows what this is going to be, but it feels to me like this could be a really interesting time. When I left Central and co-founded Shunt, we only had one artistic policy, and that was to explore the live event. And I've realised over these last months that this is still what makes me the most excited, and it seems like this is theatre's great superpower. I think that whatever we do, we should always consider that as theatre makers, we work in a live form. And that can be as simple as being in a room with people, like we're in this room now, which in itself, in these times, is a celebratory act. So thank you, Central, and I wish the best of luck to all of you on your future journeys. Thank you.